here get to value of x. Now look, this one actually little easy one here. Now what the theorem we learn, I mean circle facts, which we learn first, but the from same two place, I mean here b and c. Look very carefully, from b and c, like this way go to circumference, and then again from b and c go to circumference, right here, right, like this way, from b and c go to circumference, and from b and c go to again circumference. So that means this angle equal to this angle. You can mark like that here 50, right? Try to understand that. And then if you know this angle, you can tell this angle also 50, because why? Alternate angle, huh? You can see here, if I draw using another color like this, huh? If I show like this way, right, this is represents z. So like this way, huh? Alternate angle. So if this is 50, this is also 50, right? And then now you can find x. But there you can write 50 plus 50 plus x will be equal to 180, because why? Interior angle of a triangle add up to 180, right? So this plus this x should be 180. 50 plus 50 plus x. So here very simple, 50 plus 50 mean 100. Here will be x, and here 180. Now 100 bring to other side. So 180 minus 100. So here will be 180 minus 100 mean 80 degrees. So this is the answer for x.